You've heard us talking about Rust becoming more and more common inside the kernel, and it could be said the friction really started to surface about Rust being in the kernel last September when Microsoft engineer Wedson Amedia Filho stepped away from the Rust for Linux project because he was frustrated with the pushback he was receiving. Last month, things boiled over again when a proposed abstraction to allow Rust-written device drivers to call the primary C-based kernel core DMA API met with resistance from kernel maintainer Christoph Hellwig. Hellwig is quoted as saying, "No Rust in kernel/DMA, please." He further went on to say, "Keep the wrappers in your code instead of making life painful for others. Interfaces to the DMA API should stay in readable C code and not in weird bindings so that it stays greppable and maintainable." Hellwig was then challenged by Red Hat software engineer Danilo Krumich, and Hellwig was not happy about that and said, "Don't force me to deal with your shiny language." Shiny is what he said. Of the day, maintaining multi-language projects is a pain and I have no interest in dealing with. If you want to use something that is not C, be that assembly or Rust, you write the interface and deal with the impedance mismatch yourself as far as I'm concerned.